there are certain rules so as to understand how the light falls and gets reflected on two mirrors, the concave mirror and the convex mirror. The first rule is that if this light ray, it is parallel to principal axis, then after reflection, it will pass through principal focus. And in convex mirror, if it is parallel to principal axis, then after reflection, it will diverge from the principal focus. When it is getting diverged, you draw these dotted lines, the imaginary lines. You can see that it meets at the principal focus. Same thing is happening even in concave also and in convex also. When the ray of light is parallel to principal axis, then after reflection, it is meeting at the principal focus. Only thing here difference is that here real light will meet at the principal focus in concave mirror. In convex mirror, the light diverges, then we draw an imaginary line which meets at the focus. Okay. Then the second rule is that if the ray of light is passing through principal focus, directly if it is going through the principal focus for a concave mirror or for a convex mirror, after reflection, the reflected rays will be parallel to principal axis. Here in concave mirror, it is parallel, here you can see, and here in convex mirror, now this is the incident ray, it gets reflected like this. So it is parallel. And the third rule is that if a light ray is passing through center of curvature for a concave mirror or directed in the direction of center of curvature for a convex mirror, because it is really not happening here, right? We will have to draw the imaginary line. Then after reflection, in both the cases, the light gets reflected back along the same path, in which it has come. You can see here in concave mirror, it comes like this and then it reflects back also in the same direction. In convex mirror also, it is incident like this, then it's reflecting back like this only. Here we are drawing the imaginary line which is meeting till up here, till the center of curvature. Okay. So these are the three rules which you have to keep in mind. The first is that if the incident ray is parallel, then the reflected ray will be going through principal focus. Second rule is that if the incident ray is passing through the principal focus, then the reflected ray will be parallel. You can just observe the first case and the second case, they are opposite. Here incident ray is parallel, so the reflected ray is going through focus. Here incident ray is going through focus, so reflected ray will be parallel. This is what will happen in the mirrors. It will be opposite every time. And in the third case, it is simple. When the light passes through center of curvature, the reflected ray is also going through the center of curvature. Here we have noticed that all light rays reflected by concave mirror converges at its focus. And in convex mirror, what is happening? There is a divergence. A convex mirror is called a divergent mirror because it diverges a parallel beam of light incident on it. So a concave mirror is called as a converging mirror and a convex mirror is called as a diverging mirror.